hope you're having a lovely day and welcome back to my channel. I've got a bit of a surprise in unboxing today. It's my very first beauty subscription box for May and it's not even May yet, but I had Glossybox through the post. This is their May box. It is absolutely beautiful. It's the Daydreamer box. Now, I didn't know that we were getting a special sort of themed or designed box this month, so it was a surprise when I opened it. It is so pretty, isn't it? Really, really beautiful. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a beauty monthly subscription box that you can cancel any time. Now, it's one of the cheaper beauty boxes that I receive, and it costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. Now, I've been a subscriber for over a year now, and I haven't stopped subscribing, so it's definitely one of my favourite boxes. And inside, you do get a really great mix of items. You get around 5, maybe sometimes 6 items inside, and it always exceeds the value of the box by quite a bit usually. I will tot up everything individually and I will let you know the actual value of this box at the end, so it gives you an idea. And every item that's inside this box I will search online and I will link down below, so click on the show more and that will bring up in the description. So if you're interested to see a little bit more, read more about these products, then have a look there. I've also got a refer a friend code which is 20% off your first box, so I'll link that down there as well, so take a look if you're interested. But yeah, it's amazing box. It usually comes within the first week of every month, and I do like the fact that you can cancel anytime you want, so it is good. Oh, I forgot to say that the contents are a mix of beauty items, so it's skincare, makeup, hair care, accessories, and we've even had chocolate bars. So as always, I don't know what's inside of this box. It's a surprise, so let's open it up. That's what the inside looks like. So this is the little sheet of paper that always comes. So on here it will tell you all the information about the products inside the box. So it will tell you whether it's full size, sample size, and also the price as well. And they usually give you a bit of a sneak peek, so I'll take a look at that in a minute. So that's how it comes. So pretty. Normally the box is like a salmony pink colour, and the paper is, oh my gosh, what's the paper? I think the paper is pink and with a black ribbon. I should know, shouldn't I? But no, this is really pretty. So I'll open it up and I'll show you first. Hopefully you can see there. Put it down. So as always with my boxes, I grab an item, pick it up, show you, have a look, have a smell, and then I have a read in the leaflet. So let's see what the leaflet says first. So it says, Glossy's Let's Float Away. It says, welcome to a world of pampering and bliss with our Daydreamer box. The soft pastel hues are inspired by tranquil settings, and inside you'll find a range of products to help you transport into a relaxing paradise. You will soon have the feeling like you'll be floating on a cloud. Ooh. So there is a sneak peek picture here, so if you don't want to see what we're going to receive in June's box, look away now. Hopefully you can see. The first item is, oh, it's a palette. Praline palette, eyeshadow palette, Trifle Cosmetics. Oh, wow. 100% cruelty free. Trifle Cosmetics do the most amazing packaging. It is so beautiful. I've had a few of their lipsticks and lip scrubs, I think. Lipsticks I haven't got on with. They're too pale for me, more like a concealer on my lips. But the lip scrubs have been lovely. So no, really interested to see what a palette is like. Oh my gosh, even this packaging is beautiful as well. That is so pretty. So it's vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. Oh, really lovely shades. Oh, quite jewel shades. I'll just cover the whip mirror here. So you've got mirrors you can see, and then those gorgeous jewel shades. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. They are beautiful. That purple is just really standing out. I'll do a bit of a swatch. Right, I'm not very good with swatches. I have to turn around. Right, okay. Lucky I've got some arm flab so I can push my arm around. So that's what they look like. That colour is stunning. It is super gorgeous. Wow. No, really nice. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait. So the information in the leaflet says that this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £15.55. It says, formulated to be creamy yet vivid, these unique powders have a velvety smooth texture and are 100% vegan plus free from any nasties. So no, really chuffed with that. First product, amazing. Oh, it's a bottle of something, quite a big bottle, 100 mils. and it's True Soft Conditioner. 100% vegan and cruelty free, softening argan oil, sulfate and paraben free, Colour Guard complex, produced in Sweden. Oh, I've never heard of these or seen these products before, but that's quite a nice size bottle. Ooh, what's it smell like? So this is the conditioner. I'm going to have a quick look to see if there's a shampoo. Yeah, there is. There you go. So this is a shampoo. Exactly the same information. So we've got a duo. So, oh, handy sizes. I'm going to Italy in a few weeks' time because I'm bringing a carry-on bag. I can bring up to 100 mils of products inside that bag, but I'm not quite sure. Maybe these would be too big, actually. They fit because they're 100 grams, but I'm just thinking it's only one of those sandwiches bag things, and I've got lots of makeup and suntan lotion to put in. Anyway, I'm going on and on and on. Let's have a sniff of the shampoo. Oh, this is quite hard to open. Oh, I really pressed down. Right, I always do this. Aim to have a little bit come out and a blob comes out. Hold on. Go on, a little tiny bit there. Just curious to see what the smell is like. Oh, it's like cucumber. Oh my gosh, I love it. Absolutely love it. It doesn't say here, does it? Oh, it is. Take my word from it. It is like cucumber. That nice, fresh smell. So no, really excited to try these. True Soft. Never heard of them. Information in the booklet says that these are travel sizes. So the recommended retail price for each of these are £3.98. You can get the bigger versions of 350 mils for £12.98. So it's by the brand Maria Nila. Oh, it doesn't say in the bottles. Oh yes, of course it does. Oh, excuse me, it says there. I'm just being daft, I didn't notice. It says, this gentle formula softens, moisturises and strengthens the structure of your hair with a recipe for super shiny locks and frizz-fighting ingredients. What's not to love? Really happy with those. I love the smell. Cucumber is gorgeous. Oh, makeup remover. So it's Queshy. I think I've pronounced that right. Queshy Double Effect Makeup Remover, cleansing and calming eyes and sensitive areas, remove waterproof and long-lasting makeup. Oh, the Benefit Bad Girl Bang would be the tester to try this. Look how beautiful that bottle is. I'm not sure if you can see. It looks gorgeous. See the different colours. If I wasn't in the frame, maybe you could see it better. Can you see what I mean? Oh, it's like one of those sensory toys, you know, that you flip up and down. Oh, it's lovely. I take it, I shake it. Oh, it is. It's like those sensory toys. Oh. So, and this is a 100ml bottle, so I'll have a look here. This is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £10.50. It says, cleanse your troubles away with this double effect calming makeup remover from Queshy. The clear solution is rich in soft oils and works with a blue solution to remove makeup gently. For best results, remember to shake before using. I just love the bottle. I just think that is gorgeous. So no, definitely Benefit Bad Girl Bang. That is a nightmare to take off gently. So no, I'll give that a go, definitely. So no, so that's my third item. Or unless they count in those shampoo and conditioner as an item each. I hope not, because things like that, I would like them to be counted as one item, isn't it? So I'm not sure. So the next item is something big. What's this? Just 4 feet. So this is, oh, Jelly Foot Soak, a relaxing foot treatment to calm problematic and overworked feet. Soothe with lavender and lemongrass, and this is a 40-gram box. Ooh, oh, I love things like this that are a little bit different, you know, a little bit different. Yeah, there could be lots, you know, there's lots of foot soaks out there, but I've never had this in the 2 years I've been having beauty subscription boxes. And yeah, it's something exciting, isn't it? Shall I have a look inside? Ooh, soothes tired aching feet, helps with athlete's foot, combats fungal issues, erases foot odour, natural eczema treatment, vegan friendly and safe for diabetics. Okay, so it's in little sachets. So you've got step 1, which is lavender and lemongrass. I'm not speaking properly. Step 1, which is lavender and lemongrass, little sachet, and step 2 is the dissolver. Okay, so I'm not going to open them. I'm not sure I'll try them out on my channel though, because my feet should be hidden really, not for people to see. Where is it? Here. So this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £4.99. and it's by the brand Gel Spa. Sit back and give your feet a treat. Gel Spa vegan friendly foot soak is specially developed powder which turns water to gel. And it says, let the aromas of lavender and lemongrass help you to relax after a long day while the soak gently moisturizes and soothes your tired feet. Afterwards, simply add the second step to magically turn the gel back into a liquid. That sounds weird, doesn't it? But it's got the instructions on the side there. But no. I might do that on Instagram and let you know there. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, if you're not already done so, it's all down below anyway. It's all in the description and all my tags and stuff are there. So that's either the 4th or the 5th item. So yes, I can see something in there. Oh, it's a tea bag. Okay, we don't normally get a tea bag in a Glossybox. I love having a tea bag in pink parcel. We don't normally get them in a beauty box. In all honesty, I would prefer to keep tea bags in a pink parcel because it's all related to periods and having a sweet treat. We normally get a chocolate. For a beauty box, I don't think they fit well. But it does go with the detoxing, the relaxation, daydreaming. So I can see how it all fits in with this box. And I do love tea. Fortunately for me, I do love tea. So this is, I forgot to say, this is We Are Tea, and it is Earl Grey black tea. And it's an extra treat, and it's a sample size. So these two are classed as an item each, but yeah, no, they are really good sizes. So I'm not disappointed. Sometimes we've had shampoos that would say 50 mils each, and they have counted as one product each, and I haven't been really happy with that. But then these are 100 each, and they are actual travel sizes that you buy individually. So I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I am quite chuffed with everything I've got. Actually, I can't wait to like grab it all again and have a look. So the tea says that it is a sample. To buy the product at full price, it would cost you £2.99 for 15 tea bags. It says, with a delicate aroma of bergamot fruit and sparkling of blue cornflowers, this black tea offers a refreshing infusion. So I'm going to gather everything up, price it all up, and then I'll come back to you. So in this box, we've had 3 full-size items, 2 travel size items, not sample, they're travel size, and 1 sample of the tea bag. So without taking into consideration the cost of that sample tea bag, everything else comes to around £40, which, considering we paid £13.25 for the box, is quite a bit over. So always makes me happy when that happens, because it makes me feel like I'm getting a good deal. But yeah, quite an unusual mix. Not unusual, but quite exciting. This bath soak, I can't wait to try. And this palette, the colours are really pretty. I just really hope it doesn't let me down. I want to love it so much. And I absolutely love the look of this cleanser, or this eye makeup remover. So I'm curious to see how that does with my mascara. But yeah, and these shampoos and conditioners, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, whether I save them for my trips or try them out. But yeah, the smell is gorgeous, and yeah, I'll have a drink of tea afterwards because I love tea. So no, I think Glossybox has done really well this month. Can't wait to try it all. So I hope you like this review. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, it'd be great if you were to subscribe to my channel. Lots more videos to come. I've got masks, I've got a Debenhams, a freebie that I'm going to be picking up soon from their beauty club. Yeah, I've got a few things lined up. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.